Welcome to the definitive guide to becoming a prompt engineer. With the industry is evolving rapidly, now is the perfect time to dive in and steer your career towards the exciting opportunities that prompt engineering has to offer. A prompt engineer crafts AI interactions requiring a solid foundation in NLP and machine learning, which can be built through online resources and community forums. Setting clear short and long-term goals is crucial for navigating a career in prompt engineering, with adaptability being key as the industry advances. Active participation in community forums and collaborative learning is essential for mastering NLP and staying abreast of cutting-edge machine learning concepts. Lucrative opportunities in prompt engineering range from consulting to full-time roles, where identifying unique problems and effectively pitching your skills is vital. Building a robust portfolio is instrumental in showcasing your expertise and unlocking the doors to success in the dynamic field of prompt engineering. At the intersection of technology and language lies the role of a prompt engineer, a specialist who crafts the queries and instructions that guide artificial intelligence AI systems to comprehend and execute tasks effectively. Ability to design, test, and refine prompts for optimal performance. Embarking on a career in prompt engineering requires a solid foundation in several key areas. Your core skills are the bedrock of your professional journey, setting you apart in a competitive landscape. For beginners, it's crucial to focus on a combination of technical and soft skills. Programming languages, machine learning, and natural language processing (NLP) are indispensable technical skills. Equally important are problem-solving, statistics, mathematics, and data analysis. Mastery of these skills not only prepares you for the challenges ahead, but also opens doors to numerous opportunities within the AI industry. As you progress, continuous learning and upskilling become paramount. Staying abreast of new technologies and engaging with the community through forums and collaborative projects will further enhance your expertise and career prospects. As AI systems become more sophisticated, the demand for skilled engineers to guide and improve these interactions grows. The key to a sustainable career in prompt engineering lies in the ability to adapt and evolve with the technology. While some may question the future of prompt engineering, the data tells a different story. Job postings and industry demand for these skills continue to rise. It involves understanding the intricacies of human language and applying this knowledge to train machines to interpret and generate human-like text. Begin with a solid foundation in Python programming, as it's the language of choice for many AI and machine learning frameworks. Proficiency in NLP is not just about knowing the tools, it's about understanding the underlying principles that make these tools effective. Keep abreast of the latest developments and continuously refine your skills to stay at the forefront of this dynamic field. Mastery of these concepts is not just academic, it's a practical necessity for developing AI that can interact with and adapt to human input effectively. Furthermore, staying abreast of emerging trends such as machine unlearning, a process that involves the systematic forgetting of data by AI systems, can position you at the forefront of AI innovation. This knowledge equips you to handle the dynamic challenges of AI and contributes significantly to your career growth. Forums and collaborative platforms offer a wealth of knowledge and a space for innovation where ideas can be exchanged and feedback can be sought. Here, you can connect with peers, share experiences, and learn from the successes and challenges of others. Participate in discussions on platforms like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or specialized AI forums. Continuous engagement with the community not only enhances your skills, but also keeps you abreast of the latest trends and best practices in prompt engineering. Remember, the field of prompt engineering stands at the intersection of art and science. It requires a balance of technical know-how and creative thinking to craft effective prompts that steer AI systems towards desired outcomes. Setting short-term goals is crucial for immediate progress, while long-term goals keep your career trajectory aligned with your professional aspirations. Remember, mastering prompt engineering involves peer collaboration, experimentation, continuous learning, and ethical considerations. Platforms like LinkedIn are invaluable for connecting with industry peers and staying informed about the latest trends. Ensure your profile is up to date, reflecting your skills and professional aspirations, and don't overlook the importance of a complete LinkedIn sign-up, including security verification and language options. The ability to adapt to new challenges and continuously refine your skills will set you apart in the competitive landscape of prompt engineering. While the path may be fraught with obstacles such as language ambiguity and AI limitations, these hurdles also pave the way for innovation. Embrace the challenges as they come and leverage them to showcase your problem-solving prowess and enhance your career trajectory. The field of prompt engineering is ever-evolving, with new challenges and technologies emerging regularly. Continuous learning is not just a recommendation, it's a necessity for those aspiring to excel in this dynamic field. As prompt engineers, staying updated with the latest advancements in AI is crucial, especially as it permeates various sectors like finance, healthcare, and ethics. To remain relevant and effective, prompt engineers must adapt their strategies to the current landscape. This involves understanding the limitations of current models and exploring fine-tuning techniques when in-context learning falls short. For instance, while a model's context window may impose constraints, additional training on new data can lead to more effective outcomes. Embrace the iterative process of learning, applying, and refining your skills as a prompt engineer. Networking and visibility are crucial for career advancement, with various sectors seeking the unique blend of technical prowess, creative thinking, and effective communication that prompt engineers possess. Salaries can differ significantly depending on the industry, but specializing in AI can lead to particularly high compensation. As the role of a prompt engineer becomes more integral to AI interactions, the demand for these skills is only expected to grow. The key to success in prompt engineering is not just in mastering the skills, but also in identifying and seizing the right opportunities. By capitalizing on your problem-solving skills, you can open new avenues in your AI career. Recognizing specific anomalies and testing hypotheses strategically can give you a significant advantage over competitors. Start by including a variety of projects that exhibit your skills in creating effective prompts, your proficiency in data analysis, and your ability to solve complex problems. Ensure your portfolio is not just a collection of work, but a narrative that tells the story of your growth and expertise in the field. If you're ready to dive into this exciting field and discover the lucrative prospects it holds, visit our website for comprehensive insights and guidance. Embark on your journey towards a rewarding career in AI and tech by clicking through to AI Tech Jobs, your portal to a future brimming with possibilities.